Welcome from Columbia University's Department of Environmental Health and Safety. We're happy to present our second tutorial about the LION. The LION is the Laboratory Information Online Network designed to simplify laboratory safety management between the research community and supporting departments, including EH&S. The LATCH is the laboratory assessment tool and chemical hygiene plan specific to each principal investigator based on their research. During this tutorial, you will learn how to log into the LION and update your laboratory's LATCH. In a nutshell, the LATCH documents personnel, training records, and hazards present in a given laboratory. The LION program will now populate training records for your personnel, as well as the recommended engineering controls and PPE necessary for your research. The document is available for your whole group to view online and can be edited and updated in one place. It's kind of like a Google Doc. Let's log into LION and see how it works. The URL is ehs.columbia.edu/LION. Remember to check single sign-on and type in your uni@columbia.edu to log in. Here we have the LION homepage with the menu bar on the left. Let's click on the LATCH icon in the sidebar to get started. The LATCH has several sections listed at the top here. Let's go through them, and we'll begin with personnel. Keeping an up-to-date roster of the personnel working in your lab will let you assign and review safety training later on. If someone is no longer part of the lab, click the red X next to their name to remove them. You can add new personnel in by beginning to type in their last name or uni and then click the green plus sign. It's a good idea to add in at least one emergency contact number at the bottom of your roster. Now let's move on to training. Training records are updated automatically by Rascal and EH&S whenever someone completes a course. The Training tab here also lets you assign classes to your group. You can assign safety training to your whole group or to only certain personnel as needed. To assign safety training, select the training from the drop-down menu here. Then you can either click to add training to all lab personnel or click the Add Training button next to their name to assign it individually. Let's move now to the New Assessment tab. Within this tab, you can update your lab locations, document lab hazards, and designate requirements for personal protective equipment. To update a lab location, click the Update Room Assignments button here. You can add a lab by typing in the search or browsing the drop-down list. To remove a lab you no longer use, simply click the red X. Next, click Begin Assessment to evaluate the hazards in your lab. If your lab has previously completed the LATCH, the existing data will be available by clicking the green arrow here, or if you would prefer to start from scratch, you can click Start New Assessment without copying. Let's continue from a previous assessment. The activity assessment is broken down into several different categories, and you can go through them in any order. An important page every group should review is the Physical Hazards page. Select the page you want to update and review your previous selections. Check or uncheck the activities relevant to your lab. When you select an activity, a PPE recommendation will appear. If you'd like to require additional PPE, select it from the drop-down list and click Add to Required. Or, if you would like to modify the recommendation, explain your changes in the comment box below. Review the rest of your lab attributes in this section, and when you're finished with a page, make sure to click Save Category before proceeding to the next one. When you're finished with the assessment, click Save All Categories, and you're ready to move on to the Safety and Emergency Equipment inventory. In this tab, you can document the PPE and safety equipment available in each of your labs. You can start by selecting all and working backwards, or clear all and check the box if your lab has the item. It's important to notice which rooms have what supplies. Some lab floors have a general spill kit in the corridor, but perhaps you have a specialty one for your group. When you're done, click Save at the bottom. This brings us to the Attachments tab, where you can choose to upload a safety-related file, such as a standard operating procedure or a chemical inventory. For any additional information you'd like to record, use the Notes tab here. Now you're ready to complete the LATCH. A summary page of your selections will display. Verify that your information is all correct, and then click Complete Assessment. You will be taken through a few brief screens with safety reminders about our programs. Take a moment to review and acknowledge these, and then you can finalize your LATCH. Now it has been submitted for review. It will appear in your Open Assessments tab while it is pending approval, and you will receive an email once it is approved. To view your LATCH, click on Summary, and you can print or save the whole document, or just the section you updated. Here is the full version of the LATCH we updated today. Share this with your group and make sure everyone reads and signs next to their name on the cover page. Replace this with the old version posted in your lab. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please email labsafety@columbia.edu or call our main offices listed here. Stay tuned for more videos about the LION.